I flog you today.
You're my regular customer now. I'm definitely trashing your ass. Let's go. Pass, boys.
You're running your mouth.
Pass, boys. Let's go there.
The running your mouth. You will see it today.
See, when I flog you finish today, you fall into depression.
Okay.
You know, say depression is real.
Depression, bow.
Even Shola here knows that I'm your master. Shola, tell him now how I dealt with you last week.
Flog you finish, Shola. Now tell you that I'm the master.
Shola, say something now. Why you? Shola! What thing they do you? Some way you squeeze face like who they owe bank money.
Who bank money? Are you not seeing his face? This is how an unhappy married man looks in marriage.
Shut up. All of you that you don't want to get married, are always giving false things about marriage.
I'm not the married. This is the reason why I don't want to get married. See. Marital problem everywhere. See his face.
Shola, what's the problem?
Zach is actually right, bro. Zach is right. But not the way he's saying it though, but Zach is right.
So how?
What's the problem? Why are you sweating?
My wife is cheating on me.
Why not Caponia?
Yes. You shock yourself, Abby.
Everybody shout hallelujah.
Shock you. But that's not even the major problem. The major problem is that the traditional security I placed on her is not catching anybody.
I don't know. Wait. I don't understand. What's traditional security?
See what I'm thinking?
Who is this? Who be this one? Which one is what traditional security? You don't know Thunderbolt. Magum.
What the hell is Magum?
They carry this guy, they follow.
You don't know Magum at your age.
Tell him.
Magum is that thing that they put on women. That if they put it on a woman like this, any man that sleeps with her will somersault like 7 times. Some they will even do kukuru 3 times. Some will even drink water and die.
Lord of Jesus. Shola!
No, they shout. Why they shout? Why this one they shout?
Shola. Is your wife aware that you put such a thing on her?
I'm tired for this guy.
Thank God, say me, I know they even look your wife again. I know they look your wife.
Solo!
What?
Wait. You say waiting. Did they look at me before?
No, I they admire.
Did they look at my wife?
Solo!
I they admire the hand of God upon your marriage.
I go shock. I go surprise you one day. I don't tell you. She no feel know that kind. How you go tell person say he pull magum for him body? They tell person.
Wow.
So, wait. If you have actually put such a thing on your wife, and for over a year now, you never catch anybody. I mean, why are you worried? Why did they bother you now? If you don't put such a thing on your wife and you never catch anybody, why are you worried? Why are you
It means she's not cheating.
See, Solo.
How do you know she's cheating?
Solo. This one is not even a matter of let me leave this guy. Me and my wife will go day. You get? She will make calls. Suspicious sometimes she go stand up, she go come on, she know they do it before. She go stand up, come on, go make call.
Calm down now, do like this. Why are you now crying? Men don't cry. Men don't cry.
Who shall be men do? Who shall be men don't cry? Who shall be men do?
Maybe she's not cheating now.
Exactly. She's not cheating.
She's not cheating. No problem. Anyways, I feel I have an idea. Do you hear me? I feel I have an idea.
I hear you.
What idea?
See, first, it's not even big. See, this one that they talk. Now because I don't tell my shoes. Now don't tell my shoes.
Calm down now.
I don't tell my shoes.
Don't cry, calm down.
I know they cry.
It's not that serious.
I know they cry. You know they even pay me like that. You know they even pay me like that. Yes, you know they pay me like that. You get?
I hear you.
No problem. But I have an idea. You get? So, what I want to do is that I'll go back to that Baba. You get? Or if we go back to the Baba together.
Who will go back? You will go back to your Baba.
I don't say you no go. You.
No, even me, I will not go.
I don't associate with anything unrighteous.
Did I follow you the first time?
No problem. I will go. I will go.
She's your wife.
I will go. No problem. I'll collect another one.
Why not
Another mago. I'll collect another one. You get? And I'll test it on one of my girlfriends. Either Neye or this person or Jessica or Angela or Choma or Uche or Susan or Ifunaya or you know what, more use Susan. I feel Susan is more distinct. More use Susan.
It's even worse than I thought. So you have girlfriend and you are bothered that your wife is cheating.
Solo, sorry. Girlfriends.
Oh, thank you.
See, no guy. I be man now. The thing that government approve now. Yeah. Guy, they're not the. We be man. You not be man. We be man now.
I be boy.
You be boy.
Okay, so what's the plan?
I'll collect another one. I'll test them on Susan. You get? I'll put them on Susan. Then one of now go help me go this thing. Now go sleep with Susan.
Are you a madman?
Wait till they do you now. Eh? What kind of stupid question are you asking him? It is a statement. He's a madman.
Guy, let's continue our thing.
I just said this guy, calm down now. The thing get cure. Not fear. There is a cure. Baba, if the thing work, I'll go to Baba, I'll collect the cure.
You go to your Baba again.
Solo.
I'm not interested. Nonsense.
Zach.
Supposed to be a faithful man in marriage.
I go drop 200k.
200k.
You shocking. Guy, the way I take serious for this thing, I go drop 200k.
Guy, no. Solo, no. We are friends now. For heaven's sake, we are friends. This guy is my brother now. It's 200k.
I go drop 200k. If you go help me
I'm interested, man. I'm interested.
Talk true.
I'm interested now. I need to help my guy. So what's the plan?
Zach,
what's the plan?
Zach, he gets one visitor where they expect.
Which visitor?
Take your phone.
We are the visitors now.
My brother, they go your house.
We are together. Our guy needs our help now. We can't leave him stranded now.
Come out from my house.
So now our guy needs our help.
What did they do this guy now? I dey suspect you are my wife. Now you don't pursue person who help me. What did they worry you now?
Calm down.
What did they worry you?
You know, say you be my brother.
How to be your brother? You just pursue my guy. You won't help me now.
Don't worry, I will help you. I'm interested. You be responsible man, and I will help you. To 200k.
That's right for sure.
Well, no, they expect somebody. I'm full of knowledge.
Her name is Susan. Do you understand? All you have to do is to talk to her, promise her Bone Street and iPhone, and that is all. She will follow you to your house. I know her. Do you understand?
But hope I'm not going to buy the iPhone and the Bone Street.
Which one is hope you will not buy the iPhone? Do you want to snatch her away from me?
No.
Did I say she buy? I say promise her.
Oh, okay. Because the 200k is not enough for me. I'm just managing it.
I'm tired of this guy. I've told you. All you will do, just promise her Bone Street and iPhone. She will agree to follow you to. I know her. Okay. She will follow you to your house. Do you understand?
But Shola, I hope that there's a cure for this thing. Eh?
Didn't I take you to Baba? I showed you the Baba night. There's a cure. Once you just back 7 times now, I call Baba, but I carry Baba come.
Why do I have to back 7 times? Can't you bring him or tell him to reverse it once I back once?
Backing is backing. Okay, you back once. I'll bring Baba. Do you understand? As soon as Zach call me, I come with Baba. Okay. Do you understand? It is very. That's her. She's fine, no. Lady. Solo, this is a test.
Okay.
Go and meet her.
I will test her.
This guy, go and meet her. Solo, do this job properly.
Hi.
Can I help you?
My name is Solo from Pluto. What's your name?
I don't tell strangers my name.
What if that stranger is going to buy you an iPhone and a Bone Street hair?
Oh my god, your clothes is really nice.
Thank you very much. You're welcome.
Wow.
The bedroom is even nicer. Yeah, really.
Oh my god, really, your place is nice.
Would you like to check that out?
Your room, right?
Yeah. I want to show you how fine the ambience is.
Okay, let's go now.
Yeah, let's go this way.
This Solona, a bad guy. See, someone came to visit you. Okay. You did not even let her sit down and offer her a drink. You took her to the room.
This guy. You know that will not be a problem. Man, let me just go to Papa's place and observe. You understand? Anything, if he starts backing, just call me.
He'll be back.
He will be let him back, like, oh, make him back.
Did you enjoy yourself?
Of course I did. Enjoyment is an understatement.
Oh my god, I'm happy you did. I'm happy you enjoyed yourself. Solo, but you know what? I'm going to be like totally satisfied when you give me what you promised me. My iPhone and my phone straight. What's the problem? Solo, what's the problem with you now? Answer my question. Are you joking with me? Stop listening now, what is the problem?
Solo, are you joking? Is this for real? Solo.
Hello, Zach.
Shola.
Alpha.
Is for real, oh. So not a back.
Eh? Solo is what?
Solo is backing anyhow.
Hey, Zach. There's a problem. Oh.
What problem are you talking about? I hope you're almost here with Baba.
I just come from Baba's side now. And one man just tell me say, Baba don't relocate, go Canada.
Reload what?
Baba don't relocate, go Canada, Zach. Oh.
Yeah, I don't know what do you want to do about this. So Solo is backing anyhow.
Okay, you know what? Back him up, eh?
I should back you up. Eh? Shut. Wait, Solo, wait. Backing stuff is for real. Backing even fits you.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
See that you go back to Nengi that wants you to be fluctuating, act like man, woman indoors, man outdoor. Or you look for another neutral girl that likes a man, a real man. The ball is in your court.
That's what I'm saying. No neutral girl, no normal girl anywhere. All these girls now is shisha they are smoking.